Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Root values and the cranial nerve nuclei. So first we start with the pudendal nerve. This is very important. So let's look at the pudendal nerve. Pudendal nerve, it involves the S2, S3 and the S4. Next we move on to the ulnar. So ulnar nerve is the C7, C8 and the T1. Then what about the radial nerve? Radial nerve, it involves the C5, C6, C7, C8 and the T1. So it includes a large scale compared to that of the ulnar. Ulnar is just C7, 8 and T1. Radial is C5, C6, C7, C8 and T1. Next, let's look at the musculocutaneous nerve. So musculocutaneous nerve, we call it as the MCN. MCN is C5, C6 and the C7. So this is nothing but the MCN. So MCN and radial nerve, it starts with the same, that is C5, 6 and 7. Whereas radial nerve, it extends further, that is C8 and T1. Next we look at the phrenic nerve. So here in the phrenic nerve, it includes the C3, C4 and the C5. And next is the nucleus ambiguous. The nucleus ambiguous. So nucleus ambiguous, it includes the 9, 10 and the 11. So it involves the 9, 10 and the 11 cranial nerve nuclei. So there's 9, 10, 11 cranial nerve nuclei. Then comes the nucleus tractus solitarius. So nucleus tractus solitarius. So solitarius, it involves the 7, 9 and 10 cranial nerve nuclei. So 7, 9 and 10 cranial nerve nuclei. Whereas nucleus ambiguous, it involved the 9, 10, 11. It was in order 9, 10, 11 cranial nuclei. Nucleus tractus solitarius, it's 7, 9 and then 10. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.